Before drones, they were always talking about, discard in Icelandic. When the fishermen don't want to keep the fish they don't want. Before the drones, we had operations on the ships. They were maybe making 1 or 2 reports of people discarding the fish. Getting the drones into the operation for fisheries in Iceland was a whole different new level.
Are they throwing away the small fishes or too big fishes? Just keeping the most valuable fishes, that's not allowed. My name is Birgir. I'm a fish inspector for the Icelandic government. The company's name is Fiskistofa. Basically fly drones every day.
We have 2 boats there, 14 kilometers out.
If the weather conditions are good, then we go out in the field. Just monitor the vessels, see what they're doing. If they are fishing, then we will know which time we head out and fly over them.
My name is Gísli Bergsveinsson, and I work for the Directorate of Fisheries.
You excited?
Yeah, very. Now we're gonna see what it's capable of.
Nice.
Now we're going to fly 12 kilometers out.
This location is here. We are in Snæfellsnes. We call it Snæfellsnes on Icelandic. It's the west peninsula of Iceland, and we were following here a boat who was just here, 13 kilometers away.
Like a quad shoot simulation, basically. So, what if you're flying out in the open, over the ocean, and the drone does a quad shoot? Right, then it will just stop, hovers in the air as a quadcopter.
I'm Devin Willems. I work at DeltaQuad as operational support. I do everything between the customer and our product, DeltaQuad Evo. So the Evo is built up out of different composite materials, mainly glass fiber, carbon fiber, Kevlar. The vehicle is built to be future-proof and completely modular. That's why we have a dual payload bay, where we can upgrade to different kind of sensors in the future. Same for the battery. As battery technology advances, we can just easily swap out the battery without having to rely on different kind of systems to incorporate new battery technologies. So Iceland's terrain and weather conditions are some extreme environments that we haven't worked in before, especially during the winter times, working with -15 to -20 degrees Celsius and wind speed over operational limits. It was a brilliant opportunity to test the Evo.
happening.
My name is Arnar Tryggvason and I'm a fisheries inspector for the Directorate of Fisheries here in Iceland. We are operating a lot with drones to see if there's some illegal activity at sea, mostly.
Let's say I fly the drone, I see something that it's not allowed. I go to my office, I take care of the video, cut it down in pieces. Sometimes on the smaller drones I get like 2 minutes over the boat. Still, I managed to see something was not right at the boat. But if I have more time, then I can build my case better and see the big picture of it all.
As a payload, we used the Next Vision Raptor to its full capabilities. So we were doing offshore operations using its thermal vision and also its 80 times zoom to find and detect and inspect different vessels. And all the capabilities of DeltaQuad Evo were excellent in this environment. So we got to use the longer flight times. We could stay over the ocean flying for hours. I felt it was a really good experience to have the Evo operate with our customers, especially to see in these harsh environments what the Evo was capable of with its payloads, and especially to see how our customers can improve their operations using our product.